Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. In the event that we will encounter people, and I suppose this is an everyday experience of ours, what is it that we wish to give and offer? To find the answer or the solution, we wish to take a look once more the readings that we have heard today. We continue to listen to the book of the prophet Hosea, between the encounter and even the exchange of the Lord and of Israel. Inalala po ng Diyos kung papaano niya inalagaan at pinalaki si Israel o ang kanyang bayang Israel. When Israel was a child, I loved him. Out of Egypt, I called my son. It was me who taught Ephraim how to walk. I drew them with human cords. I fostered them like one who raises an infant to his cheeks. Such a beautiful image how a father does care and indeed help his sons and daughters grow well. But then Israel went away and forgot the Lord. And the Lord indeed plotted something bad for Israel. Pero inalala ng Diyos, I am not a human person, I am God. Ang nais ko para sa iyo, kung papaano kita minahal noon, ganito ko rin ipapakita ang iyong pag-ibig, ang aking pag-ibig sa panahon na ito. I wish my love for you. Yesterday, we've heard how the Lord called the 12. And today, the Lord gave them particular ways how will they go out to mission. As you go, make this proclamation, the kingdom of heaven is at hand. Cure the sick, raise the dead, cleanse the lepers, drive out demons. If you go into a territory, wish it peace. Such were encounters. But the Lord would wish one thing for them to do. Wish grace, wish love, and wish peace. And such, my dear brothers and sisters, will be the answer on how we can foster that encounter graciously and how we can make every encounter a peaceful one. That we wish good, we wish love, and we wish peace. I suppose that before going here or before you part ways with your children, they extended or you have extended your hand for a goodbye and for a blessing. It was not only a wish that they have a good day, but it is a desire from you and a wish from you that they have a good, a lovely, and a peaceful day. You might encounter new faces today. Your work might demand you to face a lot of clients and a lot of people today new to you. Baka madalas, ayan pa ang init ng ulo mo. Ayan pa ang maging sanhi ng pagtaas ng anumang mga presyon sa iyong buhay ngayon. But it is a double challenge that like Israel and the mission places of the apostles, you wish them good, you wish them peace, and you wish them love. And maybe even our own selves, who might be trying and who might be persevering every day, it is a good remark that we also wish ourselves the peace of the Lord, the love of the Lord, and the goodness of the Lord. We celebrate today the martyrdom of Saints Augustine Zaurong and his companion martyrs. The why of their persecution was that with the coming attempts for their lives, they still wished the goodness, the love, and the peace of the Lord, even until they have shed their blood. Let us be martyrs of extending the goodness, the love, and the peace of the Lord. And let that goodness, that love, and that peace make every encounter graceful, and indeed the presence of God alive for one another.